Hello, founders. Everyone is building AI products and services today, but most of them still fail. And the problem is not about tech, it's about the product. I'm Alex Dane, and after spending years launching new businesses at Amazon and AWS AI, after serving numerous Fortune 500 clients as a McKinsey advisor and former partner, as a startup founder myself, and as a startup advisor nowadays, I would love to share with you lessons I learned the hard way. I will discuss 7 deadly mistakes which will separate winning products from losers. It will be a very practical session. We'll go into specific case studies, specific tools, specific techniques that I think will help you save tons of time, tons of money, and hopefully will make you a unicorn and will help you raise funding for your startup. Looking forward to see you, founders.